In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to instantly hide the header and footer in Wix. If you're working on a landing page, a coming soon page, or any layout where you want a clean, distraction-free design, removing the header and footer can really help keep visitors focused on your main content. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to turn them off for a page in just a few clicks. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see all your sites and settings. From here, look for the site you want to edit. Under the setup area on the dashboard, move your eyes to the top right corner of the screen. You should see an option labeled Edit Site. Go ahead and click that. When you click Edit Site, Wix will open your site editor in a new page or tab. This is where you can design and adjust everything on your website, including text, images, and layout. Give it a moment to load, especially if your site has a lot of content. Once the editor is fully open, move your mouse to the header area at the top of the page or the footer area at the bottom. You can choose either because the setting we're about to change applies to both. Click directly on the header or the footer section. As soon as you do that, a small floating toolbar will appear nearby. This toolbar is specific to the section you've selected and gives you quick access to its options. On that floating toolbar, look for the More Options icon. This is usually represented by 3 dots or a similar symbol. Click on it, and a small menu will drop down. From that menu, choose the option that says Hide Header and Footer. Selecting this will open a new panel on the left side of your editor. In this left-hand panel, you'll see different layout choices. Click on the option that says No Header and Footer. This tells Wix that, for the page you're editing, you don't want any header or footer to be shown. After you select it, you can collapse or close the left panel to get a clear view of your page. Now take a look at your canvas. You'll see that the header and footer sections have disappeared, leaving you with a clean, full page layout. Your content can now take center stage without any extra elements at the top or bottom. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the header and footer in Wix.